Hello, I'm excited to show you how you can effectively use our prioritization board to make better decisions and stay aligned on what matters most. To start, you want to be in your roadmap where you can access the prioritization board using the clipboard icon at the top of the page. Clicking into this gives you a high-level view of your items and their priority. While in this board view, you can quickly distinguish which items are on the roadmap versus which ones are parked by looking at the icon on the far left here. This helps you quickly identify what's actively planned versus what's on hold. In this board view, users can also edit the scoring columns to reflect different factors that impact each item's score, letting you tailor prioritization to your specific team or project needs. As there are many ways to prioritize items, I will start by showing in the timeline view. To prioritize specific items, you can right-click the item, then hit Prioritize here, or if you want to bulk select multiple items, you simply hold Shift, then left-click all the items you want to prioritize. And if you want to prioritize all the items in your lane, you can do that by holding Shift again and selecting the entire lane itself. The same actions will apply in the list view, so we'll be moving on to the table view. You can prioritize items in both the plan and park sections by clicking this box left of the item, or by selecting them all by clicking this box here. After selecting your items, you will want to click into the Actions button and then hit Prioritize. One important note is that the prioritization board cannot be exported in its entirety. You can, however, make the values appear as columns in the table view by clicking Edit Columns and adding the score field. That way, you can still get a clear view of how items are ranked and still be able to share it with other stakeholders in your organization. Before we go, let's talk about how scoring works. For our prioritization board, we separate it into two key dimensions, benefit and cost. For benefit, the best score is a 5, which represents a high value, and the lowest is a 1. So again, a higher number means a higher value. For cost, it's the opposite. 1 is the best score, aka lowest cost, while 5 is the most expensive, aka resource heavy. That's all I had for the prioritization board. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or check out our support wiki. We're happy to help. Bye!